Hey, how's it going out there, YouTube? I wanted to do today a quick comparison between this 2006 BMW R12RT fuel pump controller. This here, that's a $280 and over $300 delivered fuel pump controller, compared to what I just got in the mail today. This made in China fuel pump controller. So I'm going to put it in. I'm going to let y'all know how it goes. It looks the same, and it probably even ohms out the same. But here it is. Here's how it looks. So y'all can get a look at it. Looks like a very high quality piece. Very well made. 3 prongs there. The familiar twin prong 12-volt DC. Color coding seems accurate, except that one wire should be brown green. And what are we missing? It looks like we're good to try it, so let's give it a try. And measured here, this is the Chinese one that I paid $63 for. It weighs 65.58 grams. And then this is the German, made in Germany, $300 one. It weighs 61.52. 61.52 for the made in Germany. Yeah, actually the color coding is the same. Give you guys another look at that. Very similar. Underneath. So as I said, I'm going to put this cheap one in, the one that I paid $63 for, see how long it lasts. And it does not come with an O-ring. The inexpensive one does not come with a gasket, or a seal, I should say. So don't tear that old seal up when you install it. It's very, very similar. And it doesn't come with extra screws either, where the factory one does. Metering this out really wasn't of any value, literally. It's a diode. It's some kind of, there's a diode in here for certain. And it's some type of triac or something here where there's a different reading. And as you reverse the leads, especially here, you get a, you get how you would read a diode. You get to open one way, close the other. And it's some kind of combination. I couldn't make heads or tails of the values that are constantly shifting. So I'm just going to tell you that if it's reading open, you're not reading any continuity, you got a bad fuel pump controller. The only way to find out is to just get a new one. So this is the Chinese one installed, the $63 one installed. Let's see if it starts. I just got home from work. It sticks in there nice and firm. Let's see if she turns over. No problem. So if there's any issues with this fuel pump going forward, I'll update it, and I'm going to be kind of putting my butt out all over the edge, because I'm not taking this other one with me. I'm not going to risk it. This is a $300 one, but this $63 one seems to be good so far. It's not hot or anything, so anyways, good luck with that. Strange that every bolt on here is stainless. And an absolute pain in the dick to get set up. This is the BMW one. So there it is installed, and it uses the same mounting hardware as the factory. And this plug fitting and this fitting right there, the usual one, that's got to be inserted tightly. You got to really jam that sucker in there, and for what it's worth, it's equally hard to put in on this one. So dimensionally, I would say it's identical to the German-made one.